Okay, question number 31. So, which IV characteristics of four components A, B, C and D are shown? The component, which component has the greatest resistance when the potential difference occurs? This is V1. So, this is V1. He is asking you for which of these devices the resistance is higher. Okay. See, what is resistance given by R is equal to V by I. Okay. See, this instantaneous resistance he is asking you. So, now if I take this point over here, say if I take this point over here, the current is higher. Current is higher and the voltage is V1. Okay. So, therefore, the ratio of V by I1 will be lower, because if I increases, this should be lower. That means if I take this point, the current still reduces. If I take much lesser, right, here the current is most least, right. So, therefore, for D, if you see, the current is minimum, which means V by I is maximum, which means what? The resistance is higher only for D. So, D is the right answer.